Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Desire channel. Today, I'm here with another cool AI tutorial for you. Ever since we were kids, we've all been familiar with the amazing animations from companies like Disney and the beautiful work of Studio Ghibli, right? Well, today I want to show you how to create one of those image styles that have been trending all over the internet, you know, the ones everyone's making. I'm going to walk you through how to do it yourself. So, stick with me until the end of the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, first things first, open up Google and search for ChatGPT. The very first result should be the ChatGPT website. Let's click on that and head over. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually somewhere in the corner. Click that, and you can sign in using your Google account, another linked account, or just your email address. Go ahead and sign up or log in. After logging in, you'll land on this page, which is the main ChatGPT interface. You can ask this AI pretty much anything you want. But today, we're diving into a fantastic new feature that just rolled out a few days ago, the ability to create images. See this section here? This is where you can upload your own file. You can link it from Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or upload it directly from your computer. I'm going to upload my own picture straight from my system right now. Okay, let's give it a second to upload. Alright, it's uploaded. Now, what I want to do is create an image in the style of Studio Ghibli. So, I'm going to give it this prompt. Restyle this image into Ghibli Studio. Now, I'll hit the Generate button and wait for the magic to happen. It might take a little moment for the image to be created. And there we have it. The image is ready. Look how beautifully it recreated my picture. I used my own personal photo, and it did a fantastic job styling it. You can see how it even captured details like the shadows on my shirt, my hair, and even my watch and belt. Really nicely done. Okay, now I want to switch things up a bit. Let's change the prompt and try getting a style like the animations from Pixar Studios. Let's see how this one turns out. I'm going to type in this prompt for it. Restyle this image into Pixar Studio. Alright, hitting Generate again, let's see what it comes up with. Wow, it did another beautiful job. As you can see, it looks just like something straight out of a Pixar movie. It kept all the details, and honestly, it looks like it rendered my hair even more accurately this time. And from here, you can easily click the download button right here to save the image. Okay, next up. I want to try styling my picture like those cool stop-motion animations from Aardman Animations, you know, the company behind Wallace and Gromit. So, let's tweak the prompt one more time. I'll use something like, restyle this image into Aardman animation style. Hitting Generate again, let's wait for the result. And it's done. Look how beautifully this image turned out. You can see just how fun and charming this style is. Now, I want to take things a step further and try a more complex prompt. I want ChatGPT to turn my image into a cinematic movie poster and actually write the text "desire" on it. I actually used ChatGPT itself to help me generate this more complicated prompt. So, let's see what it makes this time. Okay, the image is ready. This picture looks quite different from what we saw before. It seems like ChatGPT doesn't handle this kind of complex request perfectly just yet. But, I have a feeling that in the not-too-distant future, it will be able to do these things beautifully. Or maybe my original photo wasn't quite suitable, and that's why it couldn't fully reconstruct my face accurately this time. You can use this platform for so many different creative tasks. Since these stylized photos have been really popular lately, I wanted to show you all how to make them too. I really hope you've enjoyed the tutorial up to this point. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourselves, and goodbye for now.